we will do this part. You must have seen part 1. Same basic principle with instantiated text. We will remove the thickness of the border from the text. Always with an S boolean in subtract mode. We add a S outline which I have already animated. And we enter this expression for its thickness. The border is well inside. We add to extrude 3D. We shift the border backwards with this expression. We make a copy with offset using transform 3D and this expression. The rest follows the principles of part 1. Here we animate the length of the borders. The rotation is ensured by the first merge 3D. This time we are going to apply the glow to the edges. Extrude 3D2 has material ID2. We animate the glow blend to turn it off.